Every registrar knows what the add drop period feels like. Stacks of paper, forms filled out in handwriting you can barely read, chasing down professors for approvals when everyone's schedule is already packed. It's a process that steals time from students and staff alike, but it doesn't have to. In this video, I'll show you how to create an online add drop form with Jotform. It will eliminate manual paperwork, speed up approvals, and get the process moving with way less effort. So let's take a look at how to set this up. To get started, head to your My Workspace page in your Jotform account. You can create your own Jotform account for free at any time at jotform.com. So in your My Workspace page, find the Create button. It's on the top left portion of the screen. Click that, and then select Form. Now you can start from scratch to build your form with Jotform's no-code form builder, import a form, use a template, and more. I'm going to use Jotform AI for this workflow. I think it's the easiest and best way to do this. So all you have to do is describe the form you want, and Jotform AI will create it for you in seconds. You can use your voice to enter your prompt, type it in, or you can even upload files and images to give Jotform AI additional context. I have a prompt prepared, so I'm going to enter it and hit send. Now that is a pretty robust prompt, but the more information you add here, the better. And I did enter some real time-saving automation into this prompt we'll get to in a second. So when you're building this form, the goal is simple. You want to collect the right information while making the experience as easy as possible for students. So I've asked Jotform AI for some basic student information to collect their name, student ID, and email address, along with a few other form elements like the academic term. Next comes the real time saver. I've asked Jotform to include conditional logic on this form. This form will ask students whether they want to add, drop, or swap the course. And then the form will only display fields relevant to that workflow. For example, if a student chooses add, the form automatically displays fields for the new course number, along with a file upload field for instructor approval. If they choose drop, they'll instead see a question asking for their reason for dropping the course. And if they select swap, the form will display fields for the course number that they want to add and the course number that they want to drop. You can also include anything you want on this form that is specific to your institution, like prerequisite waivers, financial aid acknowledgements, or a required student signature. Something really great if you do include a student signature is Jotform Sign will create a signed document with every submission for your records. So let's take a look at a form I already have up that I use the same prompt to create. And we can see this, it's in a mobile preview. You want to make sure it looks good on mobile devices to make it easy for your students. Then we can scroll down past the basic information. And if we choose add, the add course details open up. Same goes for drop and for swap. So the result is a cleaner experience for students and more accurate submissions for your registrar's office. Once your form has been created with Jotform AI, you can still customize it and make it your own. Just head to Jotform's no-code form builder and make it happen. Let's take a look at how it's done. So to add any form element, additional form element, click Add Elements on the left. Here it is right here. And then drag and drop any of these elements you like onto your form. Say you wanted to add a phone number. Add it to your form just like that. Drag it and drop it onto your form. To remove it, it's just as easy. Click on the element again and click Remove, and then click Delete Field, and it's gone. Now to change the look and feel of your form, access the Form Designer with the paintbrush icon on the right. You have pre-made color schemes. You can switch this up just like that, or you can add colors specific to your institution with the color codes below those pre-made options. To add a logo, access the Styles menu in the Form Designer and click Add Logo and upload any file you like. So once your form is representing your institution well, it's time to move to the next step and add more automation with Jotform Workflows. With Jotform Workflows, every student submission is automatically routed to the right approver, and everyone stays informed as the process moves along. This means no more forwarding emails, chasing down approvals, or wondering where these requests are in the approval process. To create your approval workflow, open your form's settings in the form builder. They're right up top, right on top of the screen there, settings. Scroll down on the left to workflows and select new workflow. Now from there, just describe the approval flow that you want to Jotform AI, and it will create a workflow for you. Provide each approver's name and email address. If your process requires multiple approvals, Jotform AI can build those steps for you too. So I have a prompt prepared once again for our workflow. So I'm going to enter it and click generate. You can also ask Jotform AI to automatically notify students as the request moves through the approval process, so they always know its status. Now, as soon as a request is submitted, Jotform sends it directly to the approver, and they can approve or deny it right from their email. There's no login required there. Once a decision is made, Jotform automatically emails the student and keeps a complete record of every step via Jotform tables. The result is a faster approval process for faculty, less manual work for your registrar's office, and a smoother experience for students. Every submission is automatically stored in Jotform tables, giving your registrar's office a clear view of every add, drop, or swap request in one place. So maybe the best part about this is when you have a form with a workflow, approval flow, and you access Jotform tables, you can easily see where each add, drop, or swap request is in the approval process. So to access Jotform tables, find your form, hover over it or click it, click on it there, click the More button, and then click Submissions in the data column. From there, you can track every request in real time, see exactly where it is in the approval process, and know when it's time for someone on your team to take action. With this online add-drop workflow, your students can submit requests from anywhere, at any time, and your team will spend far less time on paperwork and have more time for helping students. Are you ready to transform your add-drop workflow? You can find the links you need to get started in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find more ways to streamline administration across your campus.